Passing away of this brave girl comes as a truly and terribly sad news. She fought very courageously and in the process shook our conscience. It is a shameful moment for me, just not as a chief minister, but also as a citizen of this great city. Our hearts are burdened with grief and shame. And this is not a moment for speeches or words, but for deep reflection amongst ourselves, within ourselves. Finally, I would like to appeal to each one of you to be calm and peaceful, and so that in being calm and peaceful, we can reflect on what we need to do in the future.
The cause of the death were the injuries she suffered when she was assaulted on the 16th of December. All possible medical efforts were made to treat the injuries, but in the end, the efforts were not successful because of the extent of the injuries the girl had suffered.
I am deeply saddened by the sad demise of the brave girl. We tried our best to provide her with the best possible health care, India and also at Singapore. The government is committed to seek the severest deterrent punishment for all the accused at the earliest. The government is also committed to make necessary changes in the law to make it more stringent so that such ghastly incidents do not occur in future. I express my deep condolences to the bereaved family.
In this hour of grief for India, I express my deepest condolences to the family. It is especially heartbreaking because she put up such a spirited fight to live. I can only assure the family that the government will do whatever it needs to be done to get the criminals to justice as soon as possible. The government will work overtime to bring laws, to do things that nobody has to go through this barbaric incident ever again.
We express our deep sorrow at the tragic death of this very, very brave young woman. Fought against such brutal injuries on her. And we call upon the government to help the family, and now and in the future. And it's also tragic that this incident could perhaps have been avoided if the government and the police had done its duty.
फांसी देने की भी यदि बात आती है कानून के तहत, तो हमारी पार्टी कोई पीछे नहीं हटेगी, उसका भी स्वागत करेगी। यदि केंद्र की सरकार फांसी दे, इस किस्म के एलिमेंट्स को यदि के खिलाफ सख्त कार्रवाई करते हुए यदि उनको फांसी देने की भी बात आती है, तो इसमें भी हमारी पार्टी पीछे नहीं हटेगी।